There are several reasons why I'm making the Secret Island series, one of which was that these islands in urban areas seldom get explored. I hope that it inspires others to make packraft exploration videos in urban environments a thing. Another aspect is that if you are in an area where there are loads of homeless people around, it allows you to set up camp without being disturbed. There is a genre of videos that are dubbed urban camping, and while I have not found an island that sufficiently meets the privacy setting, this one is pretty high score because of its remoteness from people while still being close to an urban area. With foliage and a bivy sack and camo, you could probably pull off a stealth camp here. Another potential reason to go to an island is that it would be a deterrent for predators if you were in a wilderness setting, albeit mountain lions and bears can swim. Late in the day that I'm actually improvising a little bit here, and also that's the reason why I'm only using 5 wings, because like I said, it's just really late in the day. But I'm very happy with this little island. It's quite private. I've only maybe seen a couple other people on kayaks. Nice beach. There's not any poop on the island. Great spots to set up a hammock. So yeah, it's beautiful. Beautiful little island in Iowa, right inside of Des Moines. So there's no secret anymore. As well, I didn't want to really be taking stuff down while I was out there, so I decided to retreat to the beach and finish my cooking on the beach because we're running out of sun. So it's been about an hour. I'm drying my boat out, and so it's 3:20. But I decided to set up a little hammock here. Hey, so I just kind of wanted to give a quick plug about my socks here. So these are sealskin, is what they're called. They're basically like a wetsuit with merino wool on the inside, and they're effectively acting as waders for me. I think I could use these with hippies, which is another really cool lightweight product, and they're expensive though, but these were about 40 bucks, totally worth it. Allows me to get into the water and not have to worry about my feet getting wet or cold. So go ahead and transfer them into the bowl here. Guys, here's the wings. Now, I realize it's not a whole lot. I could have cooked a lot more, but a base serving at certain joints is only 5, so I was kind of late on time and I just decided to go for the sure thing.